Zaniały ass bitch.
Liverpool and dada, them pussy better talk to me proper. Any violation, bring out the chopper. I do music.
Yeah, we're back. We are back. Cook and vibe. Keep that bit there, man. Even if we're it no matter, cause we don't got no rules. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, people, listen, man, we've extended the team, you know what I'm saying? Big up Moss Media, the Boss Media, and the Flop Media. But we have man like C, and we've got a new editor on board, so we're branching out now, you know what I'm saying? Cook and Vibe is getting bigger and better, you know what I'm saying? But big up all of the team, do you know what I'm saying? You know how the thing go, from when me and Moss started this, we wanted to branch out, you know what I'm saying? So we're branching out, we're making it bigger and better. Look at me, chin! Eh? We're branching out, trust me. But people, today, we're making juice, you know what I mean? We're making juice today. Sour Sop Juice. You hear me say? Sour Sop Juice we're making today. Yeah, so today it's a simple ingredients. You're gonna need a sour sop, yeah? So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go BRIXTON. Yeah, we're gonna go BRIXTON. See what I want so we can come get things done, you know what I mean? So, forward! Don't know people, cook and vibe, yeah? Some Scotch bonnets. What's man? We are the little. You have a smaller bunch. Yeah man, let me check that one then.
1 second.
Wicked. See them banana, yeah. You get them when they call them honey banana in Jamaica. Little ones. See me?
That's it?
Give me a little handful of guinea as well. I don't know. Anything you see me cooking in the channel, anything, can get it right yourself.
Absolutely, you can. My village, you can. We have a right.
Yeah. This it, the people. My village, Electric Avenue, BRIXTON. So what we got today? Sour Sop. I'm gonna do one Sour Sop Juice for you. You know what I'm saying? But the man them, be careful when you drink that one, yeah. But you might produce some babies a night there. So you have to be careful, you know? The Sour Sop Juice, people. Let's cook and vibe. Voila. Jevvo, this way. Yeah. Don't know, people. You know what I'm going to do right now to make the Sour Sop Juice even a little better? Wow. The limes then, right? With the sour sop, we're going to need some limes. You see these limes? Straight from yard. It's a very authentic yard. Okay, how much limes at home? 5. See the little one that I got them serious, you know, bad man. Really hard lime. See me? Yeah man, so people, sour sop with the lime, the rest of it, the ingredients, we'll show you when we do the thing. You know what I'm saying? People, we're back, we're fully active. You know, we've got a bigger team now, it's crazy, we're stepping up. You know what I mean? News, you got a new one. You know what I mean? You got a new one, why Yeah. Yeah? 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 Yeah. No, people, listen. Yeah? Can't we go rice and peas? You know what I'm saying? Healthy eaters, man. Healthy eaters. This is where I eat. You come to BRIXTON, so if you watch Cook and Vibe and you feel say you are, visit BRIXTON to get some ingredients and everything there. Come and eat some food here. Healthy eaters. Aye. Don't rap with me in that bad man. Don't rap with me. Listen, bag juice. The real ghetto people drink. You see me? Yeah, you know. Yo, these have saved me many times in Jamaica. Trust me, blood. But, mommy, how much for the bag juice? How much? $2 for a pound, no, you can't do that.
Yeah, he's got to pay import tax, man.
I hear ya. In it, 50p input. No, real talk. Real talk. I hear you, but you know what? We got to purchase just for cook and vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So like I say, people, you're gonna need a sour sop. Yeah, one sour sop. You're gonna need some limes. I showed you wagwan for my limes, real Jamaican limes. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna need a little piece of nutmeg. All right. You're gonna need some condensed milk. You're gonna need water. Now, we have a pint of milk here and some vanilla. We're not necessarily gonna use them, and you don't have to use them, right? But once we've added the condensed milk because it's sweet, if it's not sweet enough, which it probably will be, then we can add some vanilla, yeah? And we're gonna add the water to the juice. You're gonna see what I go on anyway, and afterwards we might want to add a little bit of milk to give it a less thicker substance, but we're gonna see what I go on. So the main ingredients, but the vanilla and the milk we might not use. Why? It's cook and vibe, people. Let's get started, man. Let's get busy. Now, because the more kind of, you don't add too much. Look what I'm doing. Just want to make sure when there's more water in there, it's easier to get the seed them out. So people, we soon forward, man, because this I gotta take little time, you know. So we soon forward back here. Cook and vibe. All right, people. So we have all the seeds out. That was the glove, I swear. Alright, listen, all the seeds them are out now, so we're just trying to squish up the juice from the fruit. I swear it's the glove, people. So we're just squishing up the fruit into the water now, yeah? Trying to make sure that everything is blended in as much as... Oh, man. Yeah. You know what I mean? Wow, it's cooking vibe, man. Alright, so listen, let me be serious for a second. Alright, now I'm gonna add some more water, people. So we've added a pint already. We're gonna add another half a pint. A little bit more, baby. Alright. Now what you want to do is you can kind of see the consistency of how much fruit you got there. You don't want to take the taste away, but same way we want to build up enough juice. Alright, so I mean, at the moment, the way I'm pre-ing this, I'm gonna add the rest of the water. Yeah, so we've got 2 pints in here so far. But you see sour sop, man, them you have to be careful. You see when you drink the sour sop, let me just tell you something. If you don't want to have kids, if you don't want to produce no babies, be careful. Because I want to help you with that. Yeah, man, it help you with that. Man, then if you're looking to have kids on a serious note and you want to have kids, drink some sour sop juice. And that may I tell you. Yeah, man. So, alright. Now, I can't express this enough. You really need to just take your time and just squeeze everything you can out of this fruit here. Alright? So, I'm going to continue to do this, and then we're going to come back with the next steps. Alright. So, like I'm saying, every little segment of fruit, you want to try to squeeze that out, man. You know what I'm saying? So now we're going to strain it, right? Put all of that in there. And then what we're going to do, right, is as this is... That wasn't meant to happen. Gonna have to start again. God damn it! That wasn't meant to happen. So we're gonna strain it now, people. This definitely don't happen on Jamie Oliver, does it? Oh, mate, it's alright. We're gonna do it a little bit more. Let's see if we can do it this time, people. Or is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Oh, is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? It's successful at the moment. Now all the time we gotta be careful. Right. Yes! Got you. Alright, let's continue. So now what we're gonna do, right, is we're just gonna get all the juice out of this. Yeah, squish that around. Yeah. Now rather than squeeze this in there, yeah, rather than squeeze this all out in there, look, you can see the fruit still left in there, people. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put that back into the bowl we was using, put a tiny little piece more water, blend that up and try and get the most more juice out of this as possible, alright? So, zoom forward. Yes, people, you done know. So the Sour Sop Juice is ready. We're just gonna add little ingredients now. So we're gonna get the nutmeg, yeah? And we're just gonna remember, say there's no measurements, man. It's cook and vibe, you know what I mean? Look and learn. Look and learn. So I'm gonna go with about that much. Yeah, we're gonna go with that much. Right? And then we are gonna squeeze in some lime. Brother, me know say you hold the camera, yeah, but smell lime them. Gee, smell them. Them smell different! These ones are Jamaican limes. I know it, trust me, they got a different twang to them. They got a different twang to them. So I'm not gonna use all these limes. I'm gonna probably use like 5, maybe 6. So I gotta put on my gloves then, put the lime in, and then we've got one more thing to do and we're done, people. Alright, so far. Alright, so the lime, the nutmeg is inside. Now we're gonna add the condensed milk and just stir that around as we go, you know what I mean? Yeah? Yeah, we're gonna add the whole tin, people. We're gonna add the whole tin. So we want it to be nice and sweet, you know? Yeah, man! Me I tell you, say, yo, man, if you want kids, draw for the sour sop juice. Oh gosh! Yeah, man, let me tell you, man. You know, in some countries they call the sour sop guanabana. Yeah, I think in like South America and them place they them call it guanabana. We call it sour sop. Oiii! Ready up. See it there, people. Sour sop juice, man. Yeah, cook and vibe style. Now, if you got ice, perfect. You want to bottle this up and put this in the fridge, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, people, let's go for the taste. The most important time, you know what I'm saying? So let's see if we got it right. Because you don't want to add too much lime, too much nutmeg. These things can mash up your juice. It's worth a spin. You see when it's that good, it's worth a spin, blood. I think there's a lime seed in there. Perfect. I'm not even lying for the camera. I know you can't taste it, but it's perfect. It's perfect. So you know what to do now. You know what to add. I love you lot, man. It's cook and vibe. Yeah? Big up yourself. Thank you for subscribing, liking, share, comment. You don't know anything said. Just keep pushing it, keep pushing it. Stay in tuned. We're going to be back in 2 weeks' time. Maybe next week. I'm going to say 2 weeks from now on because I don't want to keep letting you down. But if we pop up next week, we're there. Is it me? It's cook and vibe, man. Sour Sop Juice. Oiii.
Doctors on your ass, bitch.